increase your Snapchat score? Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can increase your Snapchat score. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your Snapchat and here you have to go into your profile. Now as you can see that my Snapchat score is 147 right now, but if you go back and here you have the two options, one is the snap and the second one is the video. Now just have to click on the snap and here you have to send it to your friends, but if you don't want to send it to your friends you can also post it into your story. And if you go in the story and post it, you can also get the Snapchat score by putting it into your story. And if you don't want to send it to your friends and you want to increase your Snapchat score without sending them, you can add the new friends as many as you can. You just have to go in the add friends and here you can add many of the friends as you want to add. And once you add it, you just have to go into your profile and you have to restart your Snapchat. Now as you can see that my Snapchat increased from 147 to the 148. So this is how you can increase your Snapchat score by adding the friends, putting the stories and send the snaps. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.